Hello, and welcome to this brief overview of the ERPCannabis solution. ERPCannabis is a cloud-based seed-to-sale true ERP system designed specifically for the unique needs of the cannabis industry. At the core of the ERPCannabis solution is the financial module that includes all of the functionality needed to manage the financial transactions and reporting within your company, as well as complete inventory management and procurement modules. For front office operations, the point of sale and customer management module is available for managing the dispensary, featuring a user-friendly interface, flexible drawer management options, and direct integration to metric or other compliance systems. For back office operations, the production module is available to manage the manufacturing process, including the relevant inputs, such as inventory items and labor, and outputs, including the required testing and batch management features. In addition, a cultivation module is provided for managing the grow activities, whether you are working on the floor with the plants or reviewing the status of plant batches from the management office. The cultivation module will provide the necessary information. All of the ERPCannabis modules can be integrated with required track and trace compliance systems to maximize efficiency and minimize duplicate entry. The HR and payroll module is available for managing employee data, tracking time, and processing payroll. Whether you have 5 or 500 employees, the ERPCannabis HR module will save you time and expense, as each employee can have access to their own self-service portal. The ERPCannabis reporting and analytics module provides professional reports and flexible options for capturing the data you need to monitor and manage the core operations of your cannabis business. All of this functionality is available in a truly integrated environment to ensure that critical operations are in sync and working together to maximize efficiency, reduce cost, and ensure compliance. In short, ERPCannabis is a suite in the box that allows you to run your entire business on one secure cloud platform that is built on time-tested business processes. ERPCannabis has been built for growth as a dynamic and configurable solution that will meet your needs today and keep growing with you. Analytics are a part of every process to ensure full transparency to make informed decisions every day. The ERPCannabis team is focused on continuous innovation to improve and extend the functionality in conjunction with SAP's proven track record of investment, innovation, and superior performance and delivery. ERPCannabis is a mobile solution that has been designed to go where the work is being done, as it is accessible from any device that includes a browser. Next, let's take a tour of the ERPCannabis solution. To begin, a user ID and password is entered on the ERPC Launchpad. We'll click on the Production Applications tile to proceed further. As you can see, there are a number of ERPC forms that are used to enter data into the ERP system. These are the forms, for example, that could be available for the production manager. Let's look at creating a production order. So we'll click on the Create Process Order form. A series of entries will be made either using drop-down menus or direct entry to the form. Once the form is complete, it is submitted for approval. The ERPC forms provide for workflow that includes both notifications and approvals that may be required for certain forms. Complete auditing of the approval process is provided in the flow history table. The processing status of the approved form is provided through messages on the form itself. Next, The production confirmation form can be used to enter materials and activities to the process order. Again, the form is completed through the selection of required data on the drop-down menus or through direct entry on the form as shown here. Once complete, the confirmation form is submitted for processing. The cultivation module provides a user-friendly interface to track all elements of the grow process, including grow rooms, strains, and items. For processing of plants, plant batches are defined based upon the specific types of plants and strains available in the system. And finally, packages will be created from the harvested plants. Once done, the user will log out of the system and will log back in as a purchasing manager. You can see that the tiles have changed on the launchpad for this user due to the assigned security roles. The purchasing forms are available to manage the entire procure-to-pay process from purchase request to payment of the vendor, as you can see here. The Track PO app provides a quick and intuitive summary of the purchasing activity. A list of purchase orders is provided and the details of each can be shown on the screen by clicking on the relevant PO. Alerts are provided if, for example, the delivery date for a purchased item is past due. Next, we'll take a look at the sales management area. A similar app is provided to track sales orders by customer. In addition, the point of sale module can be accessed from the launchpad. To start, the amount of cash in the drawer is defined to open the drawer. The customer queue provides the list of customers. Select a customer from the queue and process the sales order transaction. The appropriate option is then selected to process payment, and the sales order is recorded. At the end of the shift, the amount of cash is entered and the drawer is closed out. Next, we'll look at the Finance Manager. As you can see, there are many tiles available to support the Finance Manager's responsibilities. For example, the Accounts Payable screen includes transaction to process invoices and payments, maintain vendor data, process year-end and various reports. Next, we'll look at the Employee Self-Service. Each employee will have access to the self-service tiles on the launchpad. From here, the employee can view and change personal information such as address or bank details and withholding amounts. The timesheet can be used and completed daily for tasks assigned to specific activities. The payroll form provides easy access for the employee to confirm payment details. Finally, we'll take a look at the reporting options. As you can see, there are many reports available. For example, the balance sheet tile will provide access in real time to this financial report, while the cost of goods sold tile will provide a dashboard report that summarizes cost of goods sold by product. The product inventory report provides a snapshot of current inventory locations and quantities. As you can see, many standard reports are available and more can be developed based on your specific reporting requirements. This concludes our quick tour of the ERPCannabis solution. The ERPCannabis Flex Plan provides flexible options so that you can maximize your return on your ERP investment as your cannabis business grows. With ERPC Select, you select the modules needed today that will meet your highest priority requirements, such as point of sale, production planning, or the procure-to-pay process. The ERPC Lite option provides a standard ERP solution delivered in a cloud-based tenant that can be implemented quickly and includes complete workflow and document management in a user-friendly environment. For larger businesses, the Max option provides for a full ERP implementation to meet specific requirements. Multiple user interface options are available, and full access to the system is provided in the cloud-based solution that can be customized as needed. Thank you for taking this tour of the ERPCannabis solution. Please contact one of our team members for more information or to schedule a one-on-one demo and discussion.